On May 30th, 1971, the U.S. unmanned space probe Mariner 9 is launched on a mission to gather scientific information from the planet Mars. It circles the planet twice each day for almost a year, photographing the surface and analyzing the atmosphere with infrared and ultraviolet instruments. Mariner 9 becomes the first human-made object to orbit another planet, narrowly beating the Soviet Union, which launched two probes on May 19th and May 28th. Even though the Soviet probes were launched before Mariner 9, they reached Mars a few weeks later than Mariner 9, which began orbiting Mars on November 14th, 1971. Mariner 9 sent more than 7,000 images of Mars back to Earth over the course of its mission, which ended in October 1972. Mariner 9 was expected to enter Mars' atmosphere between 2020 and 2023, where it would then either burn up or crash into the planet's surface. At present, it is unknown if that has occurred or if the probe is still orbiting the red planet. Here are other events that happened today in history. In 1431, during the 100 Years' War, French peasant Joan of Arc is burned at the stake by the English. In 1593, English playwright Christopher Marlowe is stabbed to death in a brawl over a tavern bill. In 1806, Andrew Jackson kills a man in a duel for insulting his wife and accusing him of cheating on a bet. In 1868, the first Decoration Day, now Memorial Day, is held to honor those who died in the American Civil War. In 1911, Ray Haroon wins the first ever Indianapolis 500, clocking an average speed of 75 miles per hour. In 1942, natural-born U.S. citizen Fred Korematsu is arrested in California for resisting Japanese internment. In 2002, a ceremony marks the end of the recovery and cleanup efforts at Ground Zero in New York City. And now it's time for our Today in History quiz. Walt Whitman's famous poem, "O Captain, My Captain," is a tribute to which historical figure? George Washington, Thomas Jefferson, Theodore Roosevelt, or Abraham Lincoln? Think you know the answer? Drop your guesses in the comments below. Find out if you're right next time on Today in History. You made it through Today in History. Nice work. Now treat yourself. Click the video on the right for what happened yesterday in history. Still can't get enough? The link on the left's got the whole playlist buffet. Want to make history a daily habit? Click my face in the middle to subscribe.